Am I the asshole for enforcing my house rules on my wife's brother? My male 30 brother-in-law, male 20 Sean, moved in with me and his sister after my father-in-law passed away a few months ago. He is the private type and keeps to himself. He goes out and never says where he's going or for how long he'll be out. He eats at random times during the day, wears earbuds while me and the kids are sitting with him. See, all of these are uncool behaviors and a bad influence on my kids. I've already talked to Sean about certain house rules that I have and how he was violating them. Maybe because he didn't know, but now he knows and still nothing has changed. Last night he came home late around 10 p.m. I wasn't thrilled with that because he knew the rules, but he said that he was an adult and that I shouldn't be policing him. But it's not about that. It's about the fact that he's repeatedly disrespected the homeowner and the rules. So I told him this: if he won't respect the rules, which are 1, being home at 8, I told him if he won't respect the house rules, which are 1, being home by 8 p.m., 2, not eating at random times, and 3, not using his electronics, just like my kids aren't allowed to use theirs during family time, then he was no longer welcome in my house. He ranted about how he wasn't my child. Then he called me unreasonable to treat him this way just because he lives under my roof. I told him it's not hard to show respect. But then my wife went off on me asking what was wrong with me to be giving Sean, who's grieving, ultimatums and treating him like a child. I explained to her that I'm just making sure that the kids won't be influenced by her brother's reckless behavior. She laughed and asked me if Sean being on his phone was reckless, but that's besides the point. She called me a control freak and told me to get off of her brother's back and leave him alone. I replied that she's just saying that because he's her brother, but she said that I overstepped and I need to back off and stop trying to control her adult brother. I kept asking if she was okay with his behavior, and she just said she's sick of arguing and went upstairs. So that leaves me where I am right now, asking you guys, am I really the asshole here? Dude, you just want to argue.